Over the past few years, we have been fighting to restore internet freedom, a fight which has unveiled countless flaws in how our government handles private entities. This is the last straw. We are tired of sitting idly by while our rights to free speech are being trampled on. Internet service providers have already shown their stance on net neutrality. They don't like what they can't control. And now that they have control, unregulated control, ever-growing control, they will do and pay whoever they have to keep it that way. I fear if this continues, we may be at the end of the information age and the beginning of a terrible dystopia. But this dystopia is not irreversible. We, the people, have proven time and time again that we are not the roadblock to the profits. We are the profits, and we know that this policy must change before it's too late. Sign the change.org petition in the description below now. It's time we stand up and push back against the internet service providers once and for all. Don't let this be the end of the information age, because we are only the beginning.